All right, y'all. I had to come in here because I had to show you these Bot Pove sunshades that I received. I am in love with these sunshades. Let's see what they looking like. The detailing. Look at this. Look at that gold rim. Look at that. They kind of look like some aviators. Let's see what they look like. Yeah, I like I like these. I like these, y'all. Beautiful. Look at the detailing on these. Let's see what I'm looking like. Ooh, I like these even more. Ooh, guys, these are so cute. I'm gonna make sure that I leave Bot Pove's website, and also if they give me a promo code.